Did you know that cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis? Despite what many believe, it's completely false. When you crack your knuckles, you're actually just releasing gas bubbles from the fluid in your joints. Research shows that there's no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. So where did this misconception come from? It likely started from the sound being associated with damage or aging. But the truth is, it's harmless. Scientists have studied this for years and found no evidence that cracking knuckles leads to joint problems. So next time you hear someone say it causes arthritis, you can confidently say it's just a myth. Keep learning, keep questioning, and don't believe everything you hear.